ask any business owner in India, does this new data protection law really apply to me? Most assume they're too small or in the wrong industry to worry about it. That assumption can be a very expensive mistake. Here's the simple truth. If your business handles the personal data of any individual, a customer, an employee, even a vendor contact, then India's Digital Personal Data Protection Act applies to you. It doesn't matter which industry you're in. Many owners think it works like GST, that below a certain turnover you're exempt. That's wrong. The DPDP Act has no turnover threshold at all. 10 lakh, 1 crore or 100 crore, your turnover simply doesn't decide it. The law is based on what you do with data, not how big you are. So which industries must comply? All of them. Retail, banking, healthcare, education, travel, software, manufacturing, even non-profits. If your business touches personal data, and almost every business does, you're in scope. And being small doesn't get you out. Small businesses and startups are fully liable by default. There's a possible relief for startups on paper, but the government hasn't activated it yet. So as of today, every business is covered. The real test is one simple question. Do you decide why and how personal data gets used? If yes, you are what the law calls a data fiduciary. And this holds true even if your company is based outside India, as long as you serve customers here. And the stakes are real. Penalties go up to 250 crore rupees, applied equally to everyone. There's no discount for being small, being a startup, or being based abroad. The good news? You don't have to figure this out alone. DPFlow helps any business of any size discover its data, manage consent, and stay compliant with the DPDP Act. Know your data, own your compliance. Learn more at dpflow.com.